This is a Dell that's coming for a booting problem and the system is running very slow. On opening, we check the power switch. It's a power switch that's worn out and this is a new power switch that's going to be replaced. Running diagnostics on the hard drive. These are the bad sectors that is slowing down the laptop. Here we upgrade the hard drive to an SSD. We replace the BIOS battery that's running low and may cause problems in the future. Here we clean the fan, the heatsink and replace the thermal paste. With the OS and the data successfully transferred, this is a happy laptop ready to get back to its customer. Follow, share, subscribe. Are you having any computer related problems? Call Lloyd at Kalina San Luis.